If you think running is only for weight loss, wait till you hear what it really does to your body. 1. Boosts brain power. Running increases blood flow to the brain and triggers the release of BDNF, a compound that helps grow new brain cells and improves memory. 2. Lowers depression and anxiety. Studies show that just 15 minutes of moderate running releases endorphins and serotonin, your body's natural antidepressants. 3. Strengthens your heart. It improves cardiovascular efficiency by training your heart to pump more blood with less effort, reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Supports weight management. Running not only burns calories, but also keeps your metabolism elevated for hours after your workout. 5. Improves sleep quality. Regular runners report falling asleep faster and experiencing deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. 6. Builds stronger bones. The impact from running stimulates bone growth and density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Increases longevity. Harvard studies found runners live up to 3 years longer on average compared to non-runners. So the next time you think about skipping your jog, remember, it's not just cardio, it's a full-body upgrade. Subscribe for more real, science-backed health facts.